Let's review a brief analysis of long-term bonds. Here we have data from 1970 to 2016 covering U.S. stocks, the 10-year U.S. government bond, and the 30-year U.S. government bond. There are many investors who are willing to stretch in terms of duration for some extra yield. We wanted to discuss the risk that is associated with that. Here are rolling 10-year data points from 1970 to 2016. Just to define a rolling 10-year data point, if you start in 1970, the first 10-year period is 1970 to 1979. The second period is 1971 to 1980, etc. There are 38 different decades we can look at, and when we compare the 10-year U.S. government bond, the 30-year U.S. government bond, and U.S. stocks, the question we ask is, which of these two asset classes does long-term U.S. bonds more closely resemble? They tend to border U.S. stocks much more than they do the 10-year government bond. This gets even more pronounced when we look at 5-year periods. Over 5-year periods, it becomes very difficult to tell the difference between long-term bonds and U.S. stocks. Most investors don't realize the risk they are taking when they stretch for duration. Here are our disclaimers. Feel free to reach out to us for more discussion.